Hi Stampers, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and today is Monday, which means it is Make It in a Minute Monday, and we're going to be using this Peaceful Moment stamp set, and we're going to be using the Happy Birthday, and I already got it mounted on a block. We're going to be using Night of Navy ink with that. We're going to be using our tailored tag, and I already got about 5 of these punched out already on the side with the designer series paper. You're going to need 11 by 4 1/4 inch scored at 5 1/2 card base, and I'm just going to give that a good burnish. Okay, then you're going to need a piece of Night of Navy cardstock that measures 5 1/4 by 4 inch. And then, of course, 2 different patterns, or you can do 3, 4, whatever you decide. We're going to punch out 3 in this pattern and 2 in that pattern. And then we're going to need a scrap of Whisper White. So to get started is we're going to open up our tailored tag, punch, and we just slide that down and it opens it up. The best way to do it is to turn it upside down. And we're just going to go in and punch out some of these colorful patterns. There's 1, 2, and we're just going to cut it this way because I already got the patterns out that I want. And then we're going to cut 2 out of this one. 1 and 2. All right, we're going to set that aside. Now, since I already have these punched out, we're going to take our Night of Navy and we're going to put these in a pattern. Now you decide how you want them on here, and I kind of have an idea how I want these to line up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the bottom one, and I'm actually going to line it right up to the corner here. So I'm going to take my adhesive and just run some tape on the back. Then I'm going to take the other pattern and I'm going to do the same. And I'm leaving a little gap in between. All right, now this is going to hang over the edge, but that's perfectly fine. We're going to cut it off in the end. Next, we're going to take this pattern again. Next, we're going to place this particular one right here. And the last one. Now we're going to take our scissors, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to cut this part off like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take and stamp our birthday greeting. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a little bit before we punch it out. Now I'm going to take and adhere this to the card base. All right, now this should be dry. We're going to just punch this out. And now if you have a small piece like I do here, what I do is I take a Post-it note and I slide it right in like this so I have something to hang on to. Now we're going to take and put this up on dimensionals. And there you go. You have a nice masculine birthday card. If you enjoyed this card, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And also, for measurements, visit our blog in the description below. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.